Let's give the preamble together.
In the name of the beloved, mighty, victorious presence of God, I am in need, my very own beloved Holy Christ self, Holy Christ selves of all mankind, beloved Lord Maitreya, beloved Mahachohan, beloved Jesus the Christ, beloved Mother Mary, beloved Goddess of Peace, beloved Hilarion, beloved Kuthumi, beloved Linella, the entire spirit of the great White Brotherhood and the World Mother, element of life, fire, air, water, and earth, I decree. O love of God, immortal love, enfold all in thy ray. Send compassion from above to raise them all today. In the fullness of thy power, shed thy glorious beams upon the earth and all thereon where life in shadow seems. Let the light of God blaze forth to cut men free from pain. Raise them up and clothe them, God, with thy mighty I am name. O love of God, immortal love, enfold all in thy ray. Send compassion from above to raise them all today. In the fullness of thy power, shed thy glorious beams upon the earth and all thereon where life in shadow seems. Let the light of God blaze forth to cut men free from pain. Raise them up and clothe them, God, with thy mighty I am name. O love of God, immortal love, enfold all in thy ray. Send compassion from above to raise them all today. Shed thy glorious beams upon the earth and all thereon where life in shadow seems. Let the light of God blaze forth to cut men free from pain. Raise them up and clothe them, God, with thy mighty I am name. O love of God, immortal love, enfold all in thy ray. Send compassion from above to raise them all today. In the fullness of thy power, shed thy glorious beams upon the earth and all thereon where life in shadow seems. Let the light of God blaze forth to cut men free from pain. Raise them up and clothe them, God, with thy mighty I am name. And in full faith I come to accept this manifest. And in full faith I come to accept this manifest. And in full faith I come to accept this manifest. Right here and now, with full power, eternally sustained, all powerfully active, ever expanding in world and folk, till all are wholly ascended in the light and free. Beloved I am, beloved I am, beloved I am.